Good morning children, how are you all? Hope you all are doing well at your home. So today I am back with another chapter of moral science, that is your I am healthy. Okay, so today our chapter is I am healthy. So kids, what is healthy? Yes, can you tell me what is healthy? How could we be healthy? We could be healthy by eating, yes, healthy food, isn't it? So in our daily routine, we should always have the balanced diet. So what is that balanced diet? Balanced diet includes the vitamins, the mineral, the protein, the fats. Okay, so we should always have these food. So now I am going to show you how could we be healthy and what are the food that are healthy that we take are healthy for us. Okay, so let's see. So kids, here I am with the healthy food. So here in this chart you can see these are the healthy foods. Here are the vegetable, here are some Amul product, okay. Then we have some vegetable, we have salad, we have juice, we have fruits, rice, dal, we have dry foods like your kaju, kismis, all that. We have roti, chapati, okay, and dal, fish, chicken, egg. So these are called the healthy food. From this we get the energy. These protect us from different diseases. So we take it in a balanced way. Okay. So always try to take these food. Okay. This will make you healthy and you will be free from diseases. Now, so kids always say yes to healthy food. Now I am going to show you what are the unhealthy food. So let's see. So kids, here we are with the unhealthy food, which is otherwise known as junk food, and you people all love to have it, isn't it? So what are the unhealthy food? These are chocolates. I know you love it. And your cool drink, some chips, potato chips, burger, pizza, ice cream, cake, chow mein, roll. So these are the junk food which we should avoid in our diet, because if we will take maximum of it, we will fall ill. So never, always say no to junk food. Okay. So kids, I have already shown you what are healthy food and what are unhealthy food. Always say yes to healthy food and no to unhealthy food. Now we will go through the book. So now I would like to request you, please take out your book, my best book for your moral science part. That is your page number 2. I am healthy. So let's go through the book and now I am going to explain you what is there in the book. So let's go. So kids, here is the chapter I am healthy. As you can see it in the picture, there is a boy who is holding an ice cream in his hand and he is having lots of healthy food and unhealthy food. So now you have to guess what you have to take. Okay, so now I am going to read this chapter and explain this chapter, what this girl is doing. Dadima, tell us how to keep fit and fine. Koel is fond of eating junk food. As you can see it in the picture, this girl is fond of eating junk food. As I have told, junk food is not healthy for us. She can munch potato chips all day. She chomps on burger and ice cream. But she makes faces if she has to eat vegetable and fruits. One day, while sleeping, she had a bad dream. So, this is the girl who always munch potato chips, burger and ice cream. But she makes faces when she see vegetable and fruits. Okay, remember kids, vegetable and fruits are very much important for us because it keeps us healthy and also disease free. Okay, so what happened one day while sleeping, she had a bad dream. What see? One day, while sleeping, she had a bad dream. She see all the fruits and vegetables sad. They are hurt that she does not like eating them. So all the fruits and vegetables were sad. Why? Because Koel was not taking these vegetable and fruits. Okay. When Koel get up in the morning, she understand that she need to eat healthy food. Okay, so when Koel get up in the morning, she understood that how important is fruits and vegetable. She decided to eat all the vegetables and fruits and give up on junk food. So from that day, she decided that she will not take any junk food, rather she will take fruits and vegetable, which is very much important for us, which keeps us healthy. These are the diet which gives us vitamins, mineral, protein, etc. So try to take all these healthy food. Along with that, eat 6 to 8 glasses of water, because it helps in the digestion process. Okay, so this is all about this chapter. Hope you all enjoyed it. So see you soon.